Hello friends, this video is for the installation guide of XAMPP and WordPress into your localhost. To start with, go to apachefriends.org. Here you'll need to download XAMPP for the type of operating system you have. I am going to install it on my latest version of Windows 10, so this one is for me. Click on it and don't worry about the processor of your Windows, as XAMPP works perfectly on both 32 and 64-bit processor. The download here is going to take some time here. Once the download is done, the first thing you've got to do is create a brand new folder in whatever location you want. And name it XAMPP. Remember that you can install XAMPP in an empty folder only. Now open the downloaded XAMPP file and run the installer. Choose Install Anyway, as you'll not find XAMPP on Windows App Store. And there you go. Then you'll have this UAC error when you choose to install XAMPP to Windows. Just click OK and Bitnami welcomes you to the XAMPP setup wizard. Hit the Next button to select the components you need. Since you are going to use this locally, you'll not require a few of the already selected components like FTP, Mail, Tomcat, Perl, Webalizer, and Fake Send Mail. Uncheck them and click on Next. Here you get to select the file location where you want to install XAMPP. You see I have the same XAMPP folder I created moments ago, so now I don't have to do it here. Click on Next and you'll see this window about Bitnami. Before clicking on Next button, uncheck this box, as you'll find out how to install WordPress manually later. Now go to the next window and you are ready to install XAMPP. This is going to take some time, so I am gonna go and fast forward it. Allow access to the firewall for communication over a private network for now. Click on Finish to complete the XAMPP setup process and wait for a while. Select a language from English and German and click on Sure to get the XAMPP control panel automatically. You are all set to go. Just click on Start and see Apache and MySQL turning green. If your firewall still has any restrictions, allow access to it. Before you go and open localhost, you might want to check the Config tab for XAMPP configuration, where you can configure it for auto start and few other preferences. To check the network status, go for the Netstat button and you'll get a list of all available networks. Now go to your favorite browser and type http://localhost and hit enter. You'll get this welcome screen, which means that the installation of XAMPP is successful. Next, we'll create the MySQL database for our WordPress install, so click on MySQL admin button, which will open the admin panel in a browser tab. Alternately, you can manually type http://localhost/phpMyAdmin/ to access this anytime. Now click on Database to open or create a new database. Select a name for it. Most users go for WP, so WP is a good name to start with. No other changes are needed as of now to hit the Create button, which will create a database with the name WP. Now since your database is ready, go to wordpress.org. Scroll down and download the latest version of WordPress. Once it is downloaded, go to the folder where you have installed XAMPP. Open it. Go to the folder htdocs. This is where you need to extract the WordPress zip file. Once the extraction is complete, reopen the htdocs folder to find WordPress file there. Rename it to WP, which is same as the name of the database you created. It should be same so that you can eliminate any error whatsoever. Find WP config sample in the file and rename it to WP config. And open it. Find the database name and write the name of the database, which is WP in this case. Change the username placeholder to root and delete the existing placeholder in the password section to leave this empty, as you don't have to put any value here for now. Finally, save the changes with a quick Ctrl+S shortcut and exit the editor. Open your favorite browser and type localhost WP and press Enter to get the famous 5-minute WordPress setup window. Now it is all easy from here. Select your language and press on Continue button. Enter your site title, create a username, enter an email address. Check this box if you don't want search engines to crawl through this site, and click on Install WordPress. Wait for a while to see the success message. On the success notification screen, you get the Login button. Click on it to log in to your WordPress website hosted locally. The login credentials remain already present here. And if you want to save the credentials, check this box, and click on Login. You'll be taken to the dashboard of your website. Explore it as much as you can. If you want to check the best WordPress plugins for a blogging site, watch our other videos for recommendations based on years of experience. To visit your site, click on your site name here. Congrats on making it to the end of the video, and thank you for watching. If you face any issues during the install, leave us a comment and we'll try and upload a fix for that. Stay connected for WordPress and WooCommerce related videos.